Kerala, described as one of the must-see places in one's lifetime. Kumarakom is an important stopover for a majority of tourists. This famous tourist backwater hub is a cluster of islands on the eastern banks of the Vembanad Lake. This is a beautiful resort located on most scenic location of Kumarakom. The view from this place is spectacular. Kumarakom is a popular tourism destination located near the city of Kottayam in Kerala, famous for its backwater tourism. Here you can enjoy a beautiful walk in the resort with a breathtaking view. It is a place that offers ample place for a group outing as well as complete privacy for couples. Swimming pool in nature's lap and an outdoor area for peaceful time. Pools are one of the most promising facilities offered by the resort. It features a private lake, an infinity pool and 3 private plunge pools with views of the backwaters. The resort features in-house restaurant called Granary, which serves a variety of delicious dishes. As soon as you step in, you will notice the attention to detail and the effort put forward to fulfill your needs and requirements. The view from the room alone is worth the trip. It has a large bathroom with separate shower and bathtub. Garden view rooms, lake-facing rooms and bamboo pool villas are the 3 types of rooms available to visitors. All of the rooms and villas are spacious and equipped with modern amenities to ensure that you have a pleasant stay. The rooms' ceiling are made of bamboo, which gives them an aesthetic appearance. This exquisite resort offers necessary and comfortable facilities with warm hospitality specific to resort itself.